Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to generate API token in Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what we need to do is head over here to the settings on the left hand side menu and click on it. And what we are going to do now basically here I will type here into this search setting API detection rules. So like that it will open up. And right here we can now create API. So we will give it a name. I will put like that, test. I will change the color. And then we have technology basically. So we can change the Python this, and this API defines a third-party library and add item just like that. Oh, sorry, base we have here. We need to select begins with, contains, patterns, and so on. Alright. Alright, so we generated basically detect this token. Now what we need to do here, we need to go to the search, and right here I will type in API, and we will select access token, this one right here. Alright, so right here now we will generate basically API tokens. So here at the top right corner, generate new token, click on it. Here now we need to do a new name, so test. We will select expiration date, template, let's say it's none. And now we will add here some of the scope names, something like that. Alright. And now what we need to do basically is just generate token, and we get this token right here, and we can copy it, and we will so we now can copy this token. So Dynatrace will never show it to you again for security reasons. So if you lose it, you will have to make a new one. So be careful with this code right here. And yeah, basically this is it. Now you can copy this API token wherever you need to. So, and yeah, this is pretty much it what you can do here and how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.